Rina Marie Ina Padilla Raymundo Paternak, born December 9, 1975, is a Filipino actress. She is best known for her appearance in the 1995 San Miguel beer television advertisement Sabado Nights and its 2017 remake. Raymundo was nominated for the Gawad Urian Award for Best Actress for the film Tahog 2001, where she portrayed a victim of incestuous rape. She has also released an album and performed on stage plays. In 1994, Raymundo appeared in her first magazine cover at 18 years old. She then appeared nude on the cover of the March 2000 issue of People Asia. She also appeared on the cover of the November 2015 issue of FHM Philippines at age 39. She appeared again on the cover of FHM Philippines for the March 2017 issue at age 41. In 2003, Raymundo married Ukrainian-Canadian businessman Brian Paternak. The couple have 5 children together named Erica Ray, Jacob, Michaela Jade, Annika Sage, and Minka Eve. Aside from doing a variety of films from sexy to action and comedy, she has delved into drama such as her critically acclaimed performance in Tahog in 2001. In 2012, she returned to television via the afternoon series Lumayo Kaman Sa Akin, in the 2015 remake of Miramar, and in 2016's The Millionaire's Wife. Raymundo also starred as Annie Mariano in the ABS-CBN romantic drama series Can't Buy Me Love 2023 to 2024. Rina Marie Ina Padilla Raymundo Paternak is a Filipino actress, commercial model, and singer who gained fame from the iconic 1995 San Miguel beer Sabado Nights ad. Active since 1994, she earned a Gawad Urian Best Actress nomination for Tahog 2001 and later returned to television in dramas like Miramar and The Millionaire's Wife. She released the album Touch Me, where it's hot and continues to act, most recently in Can't Buy Me Love. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.